another video, man. As y'all can see, we are in the Dodge Challenger, aka the Cammed RT. I know the last video y'all seen where I was programming it, putting the tunes in and all this stuff. Now we have the drive tune. Now we are capable to drive it. Today we are trying to install the AF gauge, and that is to help to see if our car is running either too lean or too rich. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But the car is actually warming up right now. I know y'all want to hear this, Cam. I know y'all want to hear this thing chop. So let's go ahead and hit this thing in the back. I got y'all waiting for that. Let's go. Oh, let's hear this thing. Got a little chop going on, little chop. Little chop. Now we about to drive it so y'all can hear how this thing sounded. Switch of gear. It's still warming up. So, all right, guys, this is that AF gauge I was talking about. I have the performance gauge. It's the AEM one. This right here is pretty much a plug and play. I already got everything disconnected. You want to go ahead and drill a hole and weld that extra piece on to your catalytic converters right there by the cast. I think it's right before it starts. So it's like the top piece of it. But yeah, you make that weld, put the sensor in there. Do you want to make sure you do the free air test, negative and a positive terminal? So y'all just, you know, find the best way to plug that up, and then everything else just plug and play. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. And this, matter of fact, here's the AF gauge right here. Just y'all want to see. I'm gonna buy that little thing where it got a hole where you can put it right here. But right now, I'm not really worrying about it. I'm gonna just plug it up, and I'll probably have it set like right there or something. Squeeze it in there or whatever. I don't know. We're gonna see. I meant to tell y'all too, man. Listen, I definitely am doing a giveaway, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. If you're not following my Instagram channel, then if you're not following my Instagram, then hopefully you guys are. But if you're not, you about to miss out on the giveaway. I got some catless med pipes that I'm about to be giving away. So I'm dropping that video very soon. It's July the 30th. I said July. It's June. It is May 31st right now. So yeah, y'all might see that video today on May 31st if you're following my Instagram. So boom, man. Listen, if you like the video, I did a little burnout for you guys at night. I hope y'all guys like that. I'm gonna do more. I'm still trying to get this AF gauge all the way in this thing so I can have this thing all the way ready. So if you like the video, if you're new to the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide, man. Listen, more coming. Let's go. Okay, we're back in motion with it. Look like it's about to rain too, man. So this crazy. Soon I'm trying to get y'all POV. It's like it's about to rain. Cats and dog outside. And everybody talking about my alignments. Man, listen, I'm gonna get this alignment thing. Don't worry about that alignment. Which I need to be worried about how this thing sounds and how to make your RT faster. So I need to install. My tuner texted me and told me I need to install the AF gauge before we start doing full throttles and stuff like that. I'm gonna do you guys just a little pull. Not too much, you know what I'm saying? Just so y'all can be able to hear this cam. Because I have already done that. I ain't gonna even let y'all know, just to hear it, to make sure everything was right for the video. So, but this is a drive tune right now. It's not fully tuned all the way. That car flying. Do a little pull right here just so y'all can hear it. A little something. It is, if you want to know, it definitely is a little louder, and not too much, but it's gonna be too much whenever I start those long two headers. Look at that little mark right there. I wonder who did that. Sorry for the wind, man. I know that wind kind of messing it up a little bit. But yeah, if y'all got any questions about the tuning, about the cam, y'all please let me know in the comments or what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Because I see a lot of people commenting on my last video about more POVs. So like I say, these POVs about to go stupid, man. More upgrades coming. I need a throttle body. I need to do intake, a new intake manifold, 6.4. Go ahead and get that scat intake in this mug. So we push a little bit more power. It is quaking, I'll tell you that. I'm trying to back up, but I see I see this in the camera. I'm about to hit her. All right, guys, we just left AutoZone, okay, and we got a couple things you're gonna need. Of course, we're gonna need some wire cutters, probably some zip ties to make sure everything stay nice and secured on there. We got this right here. Maybe go into tap inside that fuel box. Here we got some extra wires just in case we need to put some extensions on that AF gauge. But let's go ahead and put this baby right here in sports mode, okay, guys, and we're gonna see how this thing shifts in sport. Let's turn this AC off real quick. I'm gonna make this left real quick. All right. When that light turn, we're gonna do a pull, guys. I'm like, I'm ready to do that so bad, but I damn sure gotta get everything working right. Y'all, if y'all go back and look at my my other channel, I'm on my other channel. If y'all go back and look at my other videos, y'all see me doing a lot of putting my seatbelt on. All right, got the seatbelt on. You know, it's cruising right now at 46. It's feeling good. Right here. Sounds like everything's working pretty good. It sounds great. Hey, those of you guys that are liking, commenting, and sharing, and subscribing and not hiding, I appreciate that, man. Y'all making this channel doing numbers right now. Let's go ahead and get us up to 6K subscribers. We on the road to 6K, okay? Y'all do that. Hey, I'm about to give away a I'm about to give away some mid pipes soon, and I'm gonna show you guys whenever I get time. Some mid pipes. Another Challenger. Let's see how this downshift sound. Oh. Uh-oh, we got some raindrops, guys. It's not good. Raindrop. Oh my goodness, that thing sounds good. That shit is roaring. As y'all see, man, I'm gonna have to cut the video in a little bit. She putting them signals on early. Look, y'all. Moving. We back in business, y'all. We back in business. I come up. Boy, you better know it. I'm gonna get some POV outside too, some point of views outside, so y'all can hear that thing outside. Look up. Just grabbed a little bit of something to drink on. Shout out to Greens. You know this over here. Y'all hear that motherfucker over there chopping? This how it sound when you walking back to a stage 2 cam vehicle. Okay, you hear it.